As the world is getting more complex, Sage is making business simpler. Sage for Accountants gives you everything you need to run your practice and support all your clients with digital record keeping and collaboration. Alongside our existing plans, we've enhanced our Sage Accounting offering with a brand new plan, Individual. It's designed for clients with the simplest of tax affairs who need to keep digital records for the first time. After watching this video, you will learn what digital record keeping is, how the individual plan can benefit you and your clients, how to get started, and the key features. Digital record keeping refers to the process of keeping business records electronically as opposed to the traditional method of keeping paper records such as a shoebox. A digital record is simply a digital version of an item of data. For example, a business expense, income received, or a payment to a supplier. The individual plan is perfect for supporting your digital workflows for self-assessment tax with clients with enhanced ways of working together. An automated solution with data extraction and auto-categorization to drive efficiencies. Save time and track income and expenditure easily in real time with a receipt scan, or connect a bank feed and retrospectively attach receipts. The individual plan solves the annual tax problem and prepares for future legislative changes. Currently, the individual plan can be purchased by accountants and bookkeepers via Sage for Accountants. To get started, log in or sign up to Sage for Accountants. To create a new client, from the client list, click Add Client and choose to place your client in a new folder or an existing one. If you choose to add your client in an existing folder, select the relevant one from the list and click Next. Then, select the classification. To be able to add the individual plan to this client, we must choose Organization. Anything marked with an asterisk is mandatory. Enter the organization name. If the client is also known or trades under a different name, select this checkbox and enter the name. Then, add an internal code or reference and click Next. From the drop-down list, select a classification. To be able to add the individual plan to this client, we must choose Sole Trade. Enter the email address and phone number. Then click Next. From the drop-down list, choose the address type. Then enter the address. If needed, you can add multiple addresses. Then click Next. The individual plan is for non-VAT registered, self-employed individuals. Enter the financial year end date and select No under VAT registered. If your client then becomes VAT registered in the future, you can create a new client record for them in the same folder and add one of our bookkeeping plans. Add the unique taxpayer reference and the PAYE reference number if your client has this. Once you're happy with the information entered and to create the client, click Save. We are now looking at the client record. From here, you can do various tasks, such as organize your client by assigning customizable tags and view and edit the client details. From this window, you can also create connections between clients and contacts, inferring relationships and hierarchies between them. Another powerful feature is the ability to leave comments to update and alert a colleague or leave reminders for yourself. Let's now add a subscription for the individual plan. To do this, navigate to Products and click Manage Products, or click on the Products tab and then Manage Subscriptions. Within the subscription dialog, you can see the two individual plans, Individual Free and Individual. The individual plan is designed for accountants, bookkeepers, and their clients with more powerful automation and features. In this example, we'll subscribe to the individual plan by clicking Select. Any live promotions that may be available at the time apply automatically, so you never miss any offers. To confirm, click Apply Changes. Back in the client record, to access Individual, simply click Launch Product. Easily invite the client to access their data and collaborate. To do this, click Invite Client and enter their email address. From the drop-down list, choose the product and the right role. Once you're happy, click Send Invitation. This sends an invitation to the client with the appropriate instructions on how to set up their account. Upon accepting the invite and establish their credentials with Sage, the client can then log in and start immediately. Once the client logs in, they are met with a self-guided experience to get started keeping their records. Currently, there are two primary areas in the individual plan designed to help clients enter and manage their business's digital records: transactions and banking. You can find each area in the navigation menu on the left-hand side. Draft transactions is where you add money in and money out in various ways: in real time with receipt scanning, and retrospectively with bank feeds. To supplement these two methods, transactions can also be added manually for anything that cannot be captured through a bank or a scanned document. All methods can be used seamlessly from the web or mobile experience. Draft transactions can be considered as an inbox for digital records. Regardless of the source, bank feed or receipt scan or added manually, the pending transactions will appear here until all information have been verified and missing details entered. Once the transactions have been processed and assigned a category, they will move to completed transactions. Please note, even if a record is in the completed area, it can still be modified or deleted. Therefore, clients don't have to worry about making a mistake that can be undone. These are the transactions that are used to complete the SA-103F form. The banking window is where the client can set up their bank accounts and connect to a bank feed to flow transactions into draft transactions. From here, manage all the accounts set up and view the balance for each one. If you're using the individual plan, the client can add multiple users and assign roles and various levels of access. To add a user, from the top right, click Manage Users. Then, click Add User and enter their email address. From the drop-down lists, choose the product and the appropriate role. To view the permissions of a selected role, click here. To send the invitation to the user, click Add. To add more users, repeat this process. Please note, the individual plan free consists of a single user and account and access. For further help and support, go to Help and choose the Help Center option. From here, access step-by-step guides and search for the topic you need more help with. At Sage, we value our customers' opinions and always strive to improve your experience. To give us your feedback, select Give Feedback. Enter your feedback in the box and click Submit. Everything you need for seamless, automated, digital, and collaborative ways of working.